Today, I'll show you how to add an American Express card to Apple Wallet. Adding your card to Apple Wallet is a convenient way to make purchases using your iPhone, and it's a straightforward process. So let's dive right in and get your card set up. First things first, you'll want to open the Wallet app on your iPhone. You can easily find it by looking for the app icon on your home screen. Once you have the app open, take a look at the top right corner. You'll notice a plus icon there. Go ahead and tap that icon to begin adding your card. After tapping the plus icon, you'll be prompted to select the type of card you wish to add. In this case, you'll want to tap on debit or credit card. This is the option that will allow you to add your American Express card to your wallet. Now, you're given two choices for adding your card details. You can either use your iPhone's camera to scan your card, or you can enter the details manually. If you choose to scan your card, position the card within the frame on your screen, and the app will automatically capture the necessary information. If you prefer to enter the details manually, just follow the prompts to type in your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Once you've entered your card information, follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. You may be required to verify your card. This step is essential to ensure that your card is securely added to your wallet. Verification can be done through the American Express app, or you might receive a code via text or email. Simply follow the instructions provided to complete this verification process. After successfully verifying your card, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. This is the final step in completing the setup, so be sure to read through the terms and give your consent by tapping agree. Before we wrap up, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, make sure your American Express card is eligible for Apple Pay. Not all cards may be supported, so it's worth double checking. Also, ensure that all your card details are entered correctly to avoid any issues during the setup. Lastly, be aware that your bank might require additional verification. If that's the case, just follow any additional prompts to complete the process. And there you have it. That's how you add an American Express card to Apple Wallet. With your card successfully added, you're all set to make purchases directly from your iPhone with ease and security. Happy shopping!